Welcome to the WiseGuy channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video and watch it together. Welcome back to the WiseGuy channel. As soon as I finish up my morning cup of coffee, right, we're going to go out and start up that yellow bike you be seeing in the background all the time, right? It's a RZ 350 Yamaha, and I can tell you it's a special bike, right? It's been sitting, I don't know how long. Right? All right, so let me tell you about this bike, right? So back in the 80s, right? So that's an 85, right? This man, Kenny Roberts, right? He spurred it on, right? So he was basically sponsored by Yamaha. Roberts, he was winning every race for Yamaha. Now, he wasn't riding an RZ 350. He was riding a two-stroke 750, right? But they had to make this, I mean, this thing, in fact, some people call it a rice rocket. It is. It's very fast. And I want you to look at his leathers, right? That's Yamaha's color, all right? So the yellow one is sought after. It is the one to have, not the red and white one. Now that the coffee's gone, let's go see how many kicks it takes to start up the RZ 350. All right, here's what we're gonna do. The other day, I fired up the Daytona, right? Took it up the street, right? Yeah, kind of embarrassed. Watch the video. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Blast from the past! Whoa! Sideways! Right? Okay, I'm not sure what part it is, but we'll go ahead and, when we're editing, include that. Okay, so now we're going to start up this basic Kenny Roberts for you. All right, so let's see how many kicks it takes to get this thing started. Pull the chokey out. Let's see how we go. Yeah, but she sparked right up. Bam! Anyway. Let's go ahead and fire that one up. All right, let's go kickstart that one. I'll bring the basically tripod over. Okay, let's see, try to get a good angle. This one was started up just the other day, right? Flew up the street. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead, choke, turn it on. Okay. them facing you, right? Yeah, these are my girls. All right, so let me tell you, right? Okay, these things are jetted, right? Or these ladies are jetted for the Bay Area, 0 elevation. Oh, here's 5,400. You've seen how they just sparked up. Bam, and you got to see the RZ now. Yeah, we're gonna put that on the WiseGuy channel. Yeah, she just sparked. First kick, boom. But the technology on the RZ 350 for 1985 was just superior, right? The dual disc and everything, you know what I mean? The electronic ignition, everything, right? It's just bam. But I'm not, the Daytona is supposed to be known as the Holy Grail. Yeah, oh, it sounds so nasty when it fires up. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it, and like always, we'll see you on the next video. I want to thank you for watching the video, and please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.